Hello students, in last class we studied atomic model of J.J. Thomson. Here it is a second model is known as Rutherford atomic model from the lesson Structure of the Atom. Ernest Rutherford proposed a model of the atomic structure known as Rutherford model of atoms. Here you can see the alpha particle emitter, detection screen and gold foil. This is Rutherford experiment procedure. He conducted an experiment where he bombarded alpha particles in a thin sheet of gold foil in this experiment. In this experiment, an atom consists of positively charged nucleus which is surrounded by electrons moving around it. Let me see the experiment. He took a cross section of alpha particles. The alpha particle emitter now emitting through the two slits. This is an alpha particle. It is now emitting through the first slit and then through the next second slit and directly fall on the foil, and he found that most of the fast moving alpha particles pass straight through the foil and hit the detector. However, some particles got deflected by small angles and few alpha particles are rebounded. How can this we can see, but it is possible. So by all these things he made think that the plum pudding watermelon model is not really correct. The alpha particles which is hitting on the nucleus, some are rebounding back and some are deviating and some are small angles are going back. So this is the Rutherford experiment and its drawbacks we can see in the next model. Till then, bye.